Today, you will learn how to create a drop-down list in Word document. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. The option to insert a drop-down list is not visible in Word by default because it is located inside a hidden menu called the Developer tab. So the first thing we need to do is enable this Developer menu. Open Microsoft Word. Look at the bottom left corner and click on Options. If you already have a document open, simply click on File in the top ribbon and then click on Options from the left side. This will open the Word Options window. From the left sidebar, click on Customize ribbon. On the right side, you will see a long list of tabs. Scroll down in this list and find Developer. Click the checkbox next to Developer to enable it. If the checkmark is already there, you don't need to do anything. Now click OK at the bottom. You will immediately see a new tab called Developer appear at the top of Word. Now that the Developer tab is visible, we're ready to create our drop-down list. Open any Word document or create a new one. Click in the document where you want the drop-down list to appear. This is important because the list will be inserted exactly where your cursor is blinking. Now go to the Developer tab at the top. In the Controls group, you will see an icon that looks like a small drop-down menu. This is called the Drop-Down List Content Control. Click on this icon. Instantly, a drop-down list box will appear in your document. Right now, it is empty, so if you click it, nothing useful will show. We need to add items to this list. To add items, first, click on the drop-down box to select it. Then, go back to the Developer tab and click on Properties in the Controls group. A new window called Content Control Properties will open. At the top, you can give your drop-down list a title. This title helps you identify the control when you're editing the document. You can also choose a color if you want your drop-down to stand out. There's also an option called Content Control Cannot Be Deleted. If you turn this on, other people won't be able to remove the drop-down list from the document, which is very useful when you are creating forms. Now look at the section called Drop-Down List Properties. This is where we add our list items. Click on the Add button and a small window will open where you can type your first choice in the Display Name field. You will notice that the Value field automatically fills in with the same text, so you don't need to worry about it. Click OK. Your first item is added. Repeat this same process for every option you want in your list. You can add as many choices as you like. If you make a mistake, you can select an item and click Modify to edit it, or Remove to delete it. After adding all your items, you can also change their order. Select any item from the list and use the Move Up or Move Down buttons to arrange them in the correct sequence. By default, you will see an item called Choose an Item at the top. This is the placeholder text that appears before someone selects anything. You can modify it or remove it if you want. Once everything looks good, click OK to save your changes. Now test your drop-down list. Click on it in the document and you will see all the options you added. You can select any one of them. This is how you create interactive documents where users simply choose instead of typing, which saves time and avoids mistakes. If later you decide you don't want this drop-down list anymore, you can easily remove it. Right-click on the drop-down box and select Remove Content Control. If you don't see this option, it means the Protection option is enabled. Simply click the drop-down, go to Developer, click Properties, and uncheck Content Control Cannot Be Deleted. Click OK, then right-click again and remove it. Now you know how to create a drop-down list in Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other beginner-friendly Microsoft Word tutorials.